I was talking about the CSX and that runs from Chattanooga to Nashville.
The only place I know that I'm gonna turn when he gets here. I'm gonna turn that way.
Okay. Are those new GTs? Yeah, sure is.
Get out of the way. I want to see the other one coming that way. Slow it down.
Yeah.
Which one you said behind?
It's either going to be I2G or 24, either one or the other. I don't know if they're in that order or what. I don't know if it's going to be. But either one of them, the I2G's got Union Pacific power, and the 24E's got the KCS power. So
Which one was it that was down here a moment ago?
that was 220.